Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to renew your US Bank CD digitally. First thing I want you to do is actually log into your US Bank account. Then I want you to come here, identify your certificate of deposit account, and then I want you to just go ahead and click on it. After that, what I want you to do is come here and view the maturity options, because you get a deadline for the last day you can actually make changes to your term, your annual percentage rate, or the amount before your CD automatically renews. So go ahead and click on that. And then here you can go ahead and review renewal options. And you can also pick the percentage that you would like to renew it at. And then you click here to continue. Okay, click on that. And what I want you to do is just come here, click on continue again. Just make sure everything is correct. Your term, your APY, click here and continue. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and select how often you'd like to receive your interest payments. So select your payment frequency right here. And then I want you to go ahead and move back here, how they should disperse your interest. So you can go ahead and choose this to add it back to your CD, or you can deposit into checking or savings account. So we'll go ahead and use this one and hit continue. After that, what I want you to do is just come here, review everything, and then finally you can go ahead and submit this. And you're basically done. You can return to your dashboard now. That is how to renew your US Bank CD digitally. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Answer Unlocked. I'll see you the next one.